In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete OpenArt AI account. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting an account is permanent. It typically removes your profile, creations, and associated data, and it can't be undone. If there's anything you might want later, like exported images, prompts, or receipts, make sure you've saved those beforehand. Also, if you have an active subscription or credits, review the terms on refunds and billing, as deleting your account may not automatically handle those. Start by going to the OpenArt homepage at openart AI. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your account options. In the upper right corner of the page, you'll see your profile picture or avatar. Click that to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, choose Manage Account. This will take you to your account or settings area, where all your personal and security options live. On the Settings page, scroll down until you find the option labeled Delete My Account and Data. This is the section that handles permanent deletion. Take a moment here to read any on-screen notes, as they often explain exactly what will be removed and what won't. For example, some publicly visible content might take a short time to disappear from caches, and some transactional information may be retained where required by law. If you're comfortable with that, go ahead and click the Delete My Account and Data button. You'll be prompted to confirm the decision by typing the word delete. This is a safety step designed to prevent accidental loss of data. Type the word exactly as shown, lowercase with no extra spaces, and double-check that it matches. When you've entered it correctly and you're certain you want to proceed, click Delete My Account to finalize. After you confirm, you may be signed out right away, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that the deletion process has started. In many cases, the core account is removed promptly, while full data removal can take a little longer to complete behind the scenes. If you don't see the profile icon anymore, or you're unable to sign back in, that's expected and means the process is underway or complete. That's it. To recap, go to the OpenArt homepage, open your profile menu, select Manage Account, scroll to Delete My Account and Data, type Delete to confirm, and then click Delete My Account. Take your time, review the on-screen details, and only proceed when you're absolutely sure.